Hi guys, I'm back with another small mukbang for you. I'm eating chicken gizzards. Chicken gizzards. Have you ever had those before? They're fried a little crispy, but that's the way I like them. And I have a bottle of water here. If you are watching this vlog and you have not subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, all notifications, so you can see when I do my mukbangs, my grocery hauls, and my food pantry hauls, and see what I cook on a day-to-day basis. These are the chicken gizzards. I got me some ketchup. I don't know if you can see that. Ketchup on the side. And I got my hot sauce for the dipping. I'm going to put that right down here. So how you all been doing? Today is Monday, Martin Luther King celebration. I'm off, are you? You hear that crunch? Now something's going on with them. Lighting in my camera. Dip it in that hot ketchup and hot sauce. And like I said, I'm home. Martin Luther King's birthday. I decided to not to talk with my mouth full, huh? Stay home and rest for a while. So tomorrow, when I get back to work, full force. Now that hot sauce, it's not that hot. I got it from the restaurant that I got some gizzards from. It's called Oceans. Some people, stores, restaurants like this may be called the JJ's or something like that. JJ Fish. Mine's called Ocean Fish. They sell gizzards, fish, perch, tilapia, grilled tilapia. Different things of that nature. Well, this weekend I went and spent time with my grandson. He had a basketball game. Hey, he playing basketball. He's just 7. It just piqued me. He's just getting started off. You know, we all got to start somewhere, so that's what he's into right now. Hey, and I'm there for the support. You hear that crunch? I'm gonna let you look at it. Get a bite. This with ketchup. If you like ketchup, this is for you. And you know what? If you like hot sauce, here it is. This is for you. And there goes hot sauce. I want to thank you for watching this mukbang. I'm just starting to get into doing this. I need for you to hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, hit that share button so I can get my time and my watch hours up. I appreciate everybody who have supported me thus far. So come on, if you got a friend of a friend, just hit that subscribe button. Come on over and see me. Shalonda Chaney's YouTube. Bye.